Man, it's like every time I want to film, my construction guys are like,
what's up? What's up? What up?
hey guys, what's up? Karibuni tena sana to my YouTube channel. It's me Steph. If you're new here, welcome to the family and thank you so much for joining me. So as you can see from the title of this video, I am going to be testing out Instagram hacks. These are Instagram makeup hacks that I've seen on my timeline before. So yeah, let's get started. So I've already done my base, and my base is basically I've done my brows, I've done my face, that's foundation, concealer, literally everything. I switched setting sprays. I moved from the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set to the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. This one is bomb. Like if you're looking for a good setting spray, by all means you can definitely use this one. This one is definitely Stefo approved. First of all, it smells nice, and the good thing about this is that you can use it in your normal skincare routine as well as to set your makeup. So yeah, by all means you guys should go get yourself this. Next, I've gotten this question so many times about the hair that I have on. This hair is passion twist. I got them done at my normal salon, that's a base salon, and it's along Lumumba Drive, and they were done using a braid called Ceres, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I decided to just put it out there because a lot of people have been asking me what hair I have on. So the first Instagram beauty makeup hack we are gonna be trying is this one I saw from Blink Beauty, and it says the easiest way to contour your cheeks using a spoon. First of all, some of these hacks I'm usually like, why on earth would you even do that? But we are gonna try this and we're gonna see how it works. From the video, I don't know, I'm not sure if she's doing cream contour or powder contour, but I think I'll assume it's powder. I think it's powder, guys. I think it's powder, and we're gonna be using, personally I do cream contour. I use my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and then now I use my True Complexion contour palette and I set my contour. So we're just gonna do that. We're gonna be using this palette and we're gonna dip into Sculpt just a little bit because this trial and error thing. So she's holding a spoon. Oh my god, my mom, telling my mom sees me using her spoons. My god, I don't even know. So from the video I can see it's like she angles the spoon like this, I think. Man, this thing just looks odd. Just gonna try and follow the spoon shape or something. I don't even know if there's gonna be a difference, although from my mirror I can tell. But I don't know why you'd even use a spoon to contour your face though. Some of these makeup hacks are we're buying us one now. Why on bloody hell would I use a spoon to contour my face? Okay, so it didn't come out as bad as I thought it would, but you know what? I don't know why you'd actually use a spoon. Like you can just and then contour your face. Some of these hacks though. Anyway, so the next hack using the same spoon is, I got it from a page called DIY Fashion Hack. So I brought you guys a little bit closer. So she uses the spoon.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
I stabbed my eye using a spoon. What would I even going to say? Why would you even take a spoon? You can just normally use mascara. I mean, some of these fashion hacks are just being too much. I don't even know if you guys can tell the difference between this eye and this eye. It's just... Next hack. Okay, so that one backfired. There's no difference between one of this lash. Okay, maybe there's a slight difference where the hairs have been pulled up, but I don't even know why I would go through that. So the next beauty hack I'm seeing, she's using a spoon again. This surely has a thing with spoons. So she's using the spoon to cut her crease. So for the eyeshadow, I've decided to use my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm going to be dipping my eyeshadow brush into the shade Boutique. It's a nice brown shade. So we're just gonna dip into that and use just a tad bit. And using the spoon, try this. Man, I can already sense failure. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought. Okay, so this is the result after I went and did this off camera. This one was a much more better result than this. I think the idea is for you to get like a seamless shape so that can be able to follow that line and cut your crease. Would I advocate for it? I mean, spoons on your eyes, not really, but I get the idea. The thought process behind it is interesting. Okay, so the next hack I can see it's wing liner, and honestly I think if you've been here long enough, I don't like liner. I only wear it like very rare occasions, only because one, sometimes I'm heavy on eye makeup, so sometimes I feel like if my eyeliner doesn't look good, the whole eye is ruined. So see must. So I tend to shy away from using liner, but if I'm doing a very simple look, that's when I think I incorporate liner. And I'm not very good at liners personally, doing wing liners. So for this hack, she's using a bobby pin. It puts like liner on the edge, and then now she stamps that, and we're just gonna try that. Honestly, I'm not very sure if this is gonna work because so I've brought you guys a little bit more closer, close and personal. I don't know if this is going to work. I would never do this in real life situations, so yeah, hopefully it doesn't come out as bad as I thought. Man, I honestly do not know what's going on. I don't know, but I think now I should be able to like join this to here and then down all the way. Okay, so the next hack, as I'm saying, is using instead of using a bobby pin, she's now used sticky notes, and I don't have sticky notes, they ran out, so we're just gonna use tape. And I think I use tape most times when I'm doing liner because I'm able to do it more. So let's try. Okay guys, so the tape is stuck and I'm just gonna follow that line. I'm not promising better results because clearly these hacks have really taken me. Okay, so for this hack, and I would rather use tape than use a bobby pin, because I don't know, for the bobby pin it depends on the bobby pin on how like the space between, if it's like big it's gonna be long, but I think I prefer this. Liner didn't come out as bad as I thought, so yeah, bobby pin, nab, and maybe tape, it's defo approved. Okay, so for the last and final hack guys, is this. I can see she's using a spoon to line her lips. This girl has a thing with spoons, honestly, and I don't even know why you would use a spoon to line your
Why
lips. You could just follow your Cupid's bow and you'll be able to line your lips, but you know what, we're just gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna be lining my lips using this Davis lip pencil. This is number 13. It's a maroon shade, maroon reddish shade. So I've brought you guys a little bit closer. So from the video I can see how does she even place the spoon on her lip. Okay, so first of all, would I recommend this? No, just follow your I'm sure your lips are well defined. If you're careful and you're not in a hurry, by all means you can be able to get in there and line your lips. It wasn't as, no, I wouldn't even recommend it. First of all, here you can clearly see the line is off. But yeah, I think my least favorite one was where I had to curl my lashes using the spoon. I mean, I would have stabbed my eye at some point. And I think the one I really liked was probably the one for the tape, as in clearly this liner can, you know, it's sharp enough to cut. So yeah. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, I had so much fun filming this video. I had been wanting to do this video for the longest time. For the hacks, maybe I would recommend to probably use tape or maybe a sticky note to line to do your liner. When it comes to doing your eyeshadow using a spoon, no, the last thing you want is spoons in your eyes. The last thing you want is spoons in your mouth. It's not cute, honey. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Also don't forget to turn the notifications bells so that you can get a notification every time I upload. However, all unasked for useless bagalistic comments shall be deleted and the users quickly and possibly blocked.
Period.
Until next time guys, bye.